Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Finder, the place where we explore powerful platforms and tools that can turn your business ideas into real results. If you've ever thought about starting a dropshipping store but felt overwhelmed by things like inventory, order management, or finding reliable suppliers, this video is for you. Today, we're exploring Doba, a dropshipping platform built to simplify e-commerce at every stage, from product sourcing to automated fulfillment. Whether you're a complete beginner or scaling an existing store, Doba offers a centralized system that saves you time, reduces manual work, and helps you focus on growing your business. We'll walk you through how it works, how to set it up, and why it might just be the easiest way to launch a profitable store in 2025. Let's get into it. Once you create Doba account, everything is organized in one clean dashboard. The notification tab keeps you in the loop with updates and announcements. And right now, you can earn up to $50 for every store you connect, which is a solid way to get started with a little extra momentum. After your store is connected and products are listed, you're ready to sell. New orders are automatically pulled into the Purchase Orders tab for quick access and tracking. You can monitor your store's performance, like GMV and total orders, right inside the Reports tab. It's all built to help you stay organized and make smarter business decisions. The Doba Elite Academy provides training and strategies for beginners and pros alike. Meanwhile, curated product suggestions in the Selected for You section help you stay ahead of trends and seasonal demand. Doba gives you automation with flexibility, perfect for sellers who want control without constant micromanaging. That balance is what makes it genuinely worth considering for long-term growth. On the left side, you can also find AI Tool Hub, My Products, My Orders, and Stores. In the Stores tab, you can quickly link platforms like Shopify, Wix, and eBay. For Amazon and Walmart, manual uploads are needed, but the process is still beginner-friendly. Once connected, Doba automates inventory syncing, order processing, and shipment tracking. To connect Shopify, just visit your dashboard, click Install, and Doba takes it from there. Adding products is a breeze. Just browse the catalog, click Add to Inventory List, and you're set. For better visibility, use keywords in your product titles. Once added, you can either download for manual upload or click List to Store to have Doba handle everything. The Find Suppliers tab on Doba is a powerful feature that helps you identify reliable vendors based on key performance metrics like refund rate, shipping speed, and fulfillment consistency. You can search, filter, and sort suppliers by product volume, processing times, and more, making it easier to partner with trustworthy sources and reduce risk in your dropshipping business. Doba also offers an affiliate program where you can earn by sharing your referral link. You'll find it in the dashboard sidebar, complete with pre-written promotional text for easy sharing via email or social media. Doba offers several plans depending on your business size. Whether you're a beginner or scaling a multi-platform store, you get access to tools for inventory management, fulfillment automation, real-time analytics, and store optimization. And that's a wrap on today's breakdown. If you're ready to explore dropshipping without the usual headaches, Doba might be the most hands-off way to get started. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you never miss another tool that could transform how you work and sell online. This is AI Finder. See you in the next one.